move on to something else. This is an interesting case involving the game of poker. And so a game of poker, or a few games of poker, being played in the basement of a Staten Island home, and then comes a challenge as to whether poker is considered gambling, or is it a game of skill, or is it by chance? Which is it? Well, apparently a federal judge actually ruled that poker is a game of skill. It's not a game of chance.
Well, Fred, understand that last week in New York City, there was talk of having, if they'd voted last week, that it would have been approved for Vegas-type gambling in all 5 boroughs in New York. New York wants gambling. That's number one. Number two, this decision by Judge Weinstein, and Avery's right, he's a legend. I mean, Fred, doesn't get any bigger than this in New York, especially in federal court. Right. I've been before Judge Weinstein before. He handles a lot of the mob cases. He's a very prolific judge. He took his time. He wrote an extended, over 100-page decision here, and he relied on an expert showing that skills statistically had a significant effect on Texas Hold'em. However, the judge did say, listen, the government went under a gambling statute, and had they gone under RICO or state laws, they could have shut this down and got the conviction. I think that's where the government's going to go in the future. I wouldn't get too excited about this right now in New York, but gambling is coming to New York. It's definitely coming there, Fred.
Interesting. You have to wonder whether Judge Weinstein is a poker player, because, he was holding up, with high esteem, that it is a game of skill.
He's all in.
One of chance.
He's all in.
All right, we're going to see you again.
Who knew?
You guys,
Who knew, Fred?